Top technologies and equipment used during natural calamities to save human lives. Weather satellites. Weather satellites are used to track weather patterns and forecast natural disasters such as hurricanes, typhoons, and tornadoes. This helps scientists to alert the public and provide guidance on evacuation and disaster preparedness. Seismometers. Seismometers are used to measure earthquakes and predict their severity. Scientists can use this information to assess the risk of earthquake and provide early warnings. Doppler radar. Doppler radar is used to track severe weather conditions such as thunderstorms, hail, and tornadoes. This information is used to alert the public and emergency response teams. Early warning systems. Early warning systems are used to alert people to the impending danger of natural disasters such as floods, landslides, and wildfires. These systems use sensors, alarms, and other gadgets to monitor environmental conditions and provide timely alerts to people in the affected areas. High-resolution imaging. High-resolution imaging technologies such as lidar, aerial photography, and satellite imagery are used to assess the impact of natural disasters on the environment and infrastructure. This helps scientists to develop strategies for disaster mitigation and recovery. Mobile apps. Mobile apps are used to provide real-time information on natural disasters such as wildfires, floods, and hurricanes. Drones. Drones are used to survey and map disaster-stricken areas, assess damage, and provide assistance in rescue operations. They can also be used to monitor environmental conditions and provide early warnings of impending disasters. Tsunami buoys. Tsunami buoys are used to detect and measure the height of waves in the open ocean. This information is used to provide early warnings to coastal communities in the event of a tsunami. Earthquake-resistant building materials. Scientists and engineers are constantly developing new materials and building techniques to make buildings more resistant to earthquakes. Satellite-based navigation systems. Satellite-based navigation systems such as GPS and GLONASS are used to help emergency responders locate and rescue people in the event of a disaster. These systems can be used to provide real-time updates on weather conditions, evacuation orders, and other important information. Personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment such as helmets, gloves, and respirators are used by emergency responders to protect themselves from hazards such as fire, smoke, and chemical spills. Emergency power generators. Emergency power generators are used to provide backup power to critical infrastructure such as hospitals, emergency response centers, and water treatment plants during a disaster. Ground-penetrating radar. Ground-penetrating radar is used to detect and map underground structures such as pipes, cables, and tunnels. Social media analytics. Social media analytics is used to monitor public sentiment and track disaster-related conversations on platforms such as Twitter and Facebook. This information can be used to identify areas of high risk and provide real-time updates to the public. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.